A point capital R is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Another point capital S is on HP and 30 mm behind VP. The distance between the projectors measured parallel to the line of intersection of HP and VP is 50 mm. Find the distance between the top views of point R and S. So here, first we will going to draw the XY line and mark XY. A point capital R is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So above HP will always comes above XY line, in front of VP will always comes below XY line. So first we will going to draw one vertical thin projector line at here. Then 25 mm above HP will always be above XY line. From XY line you measure a distance of 25 mm and you mark this point, and mark this point as R dash because 25 mm above HP is the front view, R dash. Then 20 mm in front of VP. In front of VP will always comes below XY line. So from here you measure the distance of 20 mm and you mark this point, small r. Then give the dimension of 25 and 20. Another point S is on HP and 30 mm behind VP. But this is not on the same line because the distance between the projectors measured parallel to the line of intersection of VP and HP is 50 mm. So from this projector R, you measure a distance of 50 mm and draw one more vertical projector. And then he says point S is on HP, so obviously it will be on XY line. It's on HP means the front view, you mark it as small s dash, and 30 mm behind VP. Behind VP will always comes above XY line. So from here, you measure a distance of 30 mm and mark a point, and mark this point as small s, and show the dimension of 30, 25 and 20, and show the distance between the end projectors as 50. Find the distance between the top views of point capital R and capital S. So that means the distance between small r and small s. By using the scale, you measure the distance from here to here. So write the answer. The distance between the top views of point capital R and S is 71 mm if you are doing it in manual. If you are doing it in computer, then it will be 70.71. So this will going to be the final sketch in the final sketchbook.